Malo Soifua. Remember a lot of people gave The Rock a hard time with this monologue?
Usoy! Samoa! Kangiaku!
One big criticism he didn't deserve was how he said,
Usoy!
I remember people saying, man, dude don't even know how to say uso. You can miss it if you're not listening fast.
Usoy!
Hear it?
Usoy!
Today's word of the day is not the tense marker as in efia uletifanga. Not the pronoun or you as in sa efaki okele winga yale kamalo rock. And not the preposition like matango file tifanga rock. I'm talking about the that's used to get people's attention. Like here, The Rock calls on the brothers. He says,
Usoy!
It's usually slurred into whoever's attention you're trying to get. It's used hundreds of times in the Bible, so you probably already heard it at church. The next time you want to get someone's attention, in your best $billion box office heavy American accent, say,
Usoy!
Today's lesson was brought to us by the O'Reilly family. Fafka ke le lava mo la mea lofa, fafka ke le lava fo'i a oko mo le avanoa.